Ah, sweet, I split the fucking bag. You need 226 grams of cream cheese. We need 60 grams of cream, whole, good whipping, and 12 grams of sugar and 5 grams of salt, which black pepper, cayenne pepper. Says 8 grams of Italian parsley, which we don't got that. Snipe that up a little bit more. Oh well, fuck it. And 75 grams of sliced green onions. My wrist hurts so fucking bad. Alrighty, and now we want to mix it. Then it says to put into a piping bag, aka a Ziploc bag. I feel like this is a lot of cream cheese for 6 tiny little buns. My workstation has turned into a complete shit show because I'm so over making these things and I am so friggin' tired. But as I took them out of the oven, I realized I forgot to squish them down flat. So they're just kind of these round bulbs. Now, you're going to cut... I gotta sharpen this knife 1 second. You need to make cuts. It says 6, but I feel like these buns are like real tiny. Try. I'm running out of space here, but you want 156 grams of melted butter, 1 egg, some parsley. We're getting real willy-nilly here now because I'm tired and I want to do nothing, but baby boy's going to be up in a few minutes and I want to get this shit done. We're going to call that good enough because I don't care. 8 cloves of chopped garlic. Oops, missed half the bowl. And some salt, but I'm too lazy and I used a little bit of salted butter, so I'm just gonna skip that. Give it a good little whiskey-do. Okay, now you want to dip each bun in this garlic butter mixture. Now you want to fill with your cream cheese mixture. I don't know. I'm never making these again, I don't think. Unless they're like insanely good. Because this is too much work. Ah, sweet, I split the fucking bag. Oh, I'm gonna lose it here soon. Why did I think these were a good idea? They better be fucking delightful. And why did it make me make this much cream cheese filling if it's not even fitting? Fuck that bag off. Now you put more of your butter mixture on here. Oh no, he's up. I'm having a brain fart. Parmesan cheese.